How are you using Skypoint today at Bickford?
Skypoint at Bickford today Skypoint's been a very good partner of Bickford Senior Living, and we really found them to be one of the earlier travelers on this journey of like data unification and normalizing data and getting it in a place that's accessible, that actually can have some intelligent insights that are driven onto that. We've been in a big partnership with Skypoint to unify that data, to really start to be much more sophisticated in how we do simple things like policies and procedures, right? And how policies and procedures, I always felt like back in old Christian culture where the Bible was created by one person and then one person read the Bible to the whole world, right? It's like kept behind a veil. Like that's how our policies and procedures are written, was by our head of nursing, right? And then our head of nursing would orate the policies and procedures to people because it was so inaccessible. So getting those in tools and frameworks like SharePoint that makes them searchable, that allows us to have those be AI generated based upon information that we're learning. How do we take those policies and procedures to then move that into digitized training materials that are created from that? So for us, it's been about setting the foundation of getting all of our information in a way that's accessible and the data that's unified. And what that means for us is that I am using a huge amount of point solutions to run my business. Makes it very difficult. How do I normalize that data to where Mary Bickford in this system is Mary Bickford in that system is Mary Bickford in this system? And things like that is what Skypoint helps me do, is like draw the through line that says this is who they are. And then once I'm able to have unified data, then that's really the foundational layer that you can really start to do some more transformational stuff. But just unifying the data just makes it a little bit simpler for everybody. And that's been a real big benefit thus far.